Welcome back to another video, fam. Today we're gonna go ahead and remove my Kuruma Z bumper with splitter and put back the OEM one. Here's a new setup. The Kansei wheels are looking amazing. Like I told you in the last video, definitely since the Kansei wheels are 18s and I'm going with 255 35s, I have like some monster truck fitment on the front. But if you guys can tell, look how low the Kuruma Z bumper makes the G look, and with the splitter. So I'm already scraping in stock height. Might be a little problem, but like I said, you know, we're building the G to be a track car, so eventually it's not gonna be our daily. But overall, man, I'm loving the rear. Drop maybe the back 2 inches and the front 1. Like, I don't care if it has a monster truck fitment kind of thing, but you know, we're going for a track car, not a show car. But everything else looks good, so let's get to it. Let's switch the bumpers. We just need to remove this clips right here from the grill. Take the grill out, then remove this 2 clips right here that hold the bumper. So just remove the clips, which we're about to do, and then on each side there should be a 10 and an 11 millimeter bolt and nut that you just unscrew, and the bumper should be able to come off. Now some other G's will have, you know, the under tray, the plastic, you know, you gotta take all those clips out. We don't have that. We actually have performance TBW under tray, fully aluminum or metal. We're gonna put that back once we get everything dialed in, all the suspension, everything done. Here we got 1, 2 screws, and then nuts right here. A bolt right here, a bolt right here, and the nuts are on top. You guys have it. The G35 is back to stock, basically. Got the original sport OEM bumper on. Actually looks really nice. The OEM, you know, is a nice, clean, slick look. Do a little walk around of the car with the new setup. Now that we put the OEM bumper on the car, tomorrow I made an appointment at 5:30. So right after I get from work, we're gonna go ahead and take our car to Pep Boys to get it aligned. Alright boys, so we're at Pep Boys. We're gonna get an alignment done. We're actually during my lunch break. I only have an hour. They said they're gonna try to work me in. Let's see how it goes. And we should catch our car in the lift, get an alignment pretty soon. Getting the car looked at, boys. You know why like the front pokes out a little more? There should be 22s, but I know on the right side it doesn't poke out that much. Thank you, homie. Boys, we're getting our car aligned now. Gotta go back to work. It took longer than my break, but we'll be back after I get off. It's looking nice. So if you guys can see right here, this was before we actually got it aligned. look how terrible the left side was. The right side is actually okay. It was on the green. The toe arm was completely like coming out, and then the left front was coming in while the toe arm was basically pushing it out. That's why we always kept running through the inner side of the tire. The total toe, look, it was at 1.89, kind of bad. Steering head as well, you know, on the red. Now after the alignment, got negative 1.3 on the right side. On the left side, both in front, negative 1.3, but that's actually way better than how it used to be. The steering wheel is finally level, so overall everything is looking really good. We can finally test out these tires. The car is hooking. These Toyo tires, man, they're insane. Might be hyping up Toyo a little too much, but they're actually really good. The car is still basically stock, but the car is like hooking. Makes it feel like the car is like 10 times faster. From rolls to just grabs, it just feels like it's glued to the ground. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment down below and let me know what setup you guys are running. You know, I might be hyping up these Toyo tires a little too much. These ones are pretty good. They have some performance all season. I'm in love. Catch you guys in the next one.